my people, they don't break every don't bust again. I don't come back again with a lot of bogus update, a lot of bogus story where they come from One Africa TV. One Africa TV where they give you all the better information where you need to know about the things where they happen for the obodo Africa where we dey so, about the good things and the ugly things wey be say e dey happen. Make e no be like say I dey forget myself, my people. How una dey, how una be? Una welcome back again to a lot of ogbonge crazy update for One Africa TV. Una know as e dey be before we enter the story wey carry us come here, my people. Abeg make una like this video, share, comment, at the same time follow One Africa TV on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go dey see am one time. Alright, thank you very much. As you kindly do that, my people, make we enter the story wey carry us come here low time. Alright, my people, the first story wey be say I wan first show na today. So na this thing wey be say e just happen for along Abuja Kaduna highway. All those bad people wey be say dem no dey let our people dey rest again for the obodo Naija wey be say we dey so. I still dey surprise say the Nigeria president never still come and take address this issue. If he never still come out, me myself I don come out say make I address this issue, because anytime wey e take come out dem go say our Nigeria, the president of Nigeria, don express a shock for the kind thing wey happen. E condemn the act of the bandit wey be say e take happen. Now me, since e no wan come outside now, say make I come out say me I don express shock for the things wey be say e dey happen for the obodo Naija. So this one na bandit wey be say dem face to face dey attack with Nigeria police, and those people dey try to kidnap some people for highway. But I know say the country sef e no safe again. The matter no be small thing, my people. Na the video now una dey see for there, so make una tell me wetin una really reason concerning this whole thing wey be say e dey happen for Nigeria. Na the update now say make I dey give una for here, so my people, make una just dey reason now with me dey go. No be small thing una, so we just stay see am. And another story wey be say I wan show una again for here, my people, na about this matter, this story wey dey trend up and down. No be say na story again, na something wey happen to this our sister wey dey this video wey I dey show una. So una know say this story don go viral for social media, wey be say this our sister wey be Air Force officer, for her own toilet wey use her money buy, wey get for herself, na nobody know where snake pass enter this toilet just go bite this our sister. Na so this our sister take get RIP. Na so this our sister take get RIP. So many Nigerians now don dey react for this matter. Dem dey react for this matter. So even one of our Nigeria big celebrity wey dem dey call Don Jazzy, e don come outside come show us style and way wey be say we suppose to cut the shit for toilet now, just to avoid snake bite. Even some of the people wey be say dem just see this video, see the way things take happen to this woman, wey dem don lis ten to the story of wetin happen to this woman. Everybody don dey be careful before dem shit. Now dem need to look their toilet well before dem go even say make dem shit. So take some of the residents, dem don even, one of the residents just show of recent as e just still take see snake for inside the toilet sink. So this thing na something wey be say all of us need to be careful. But advice wey be say I go give everybody be say, all your socker wey you need to go check am. All those small hole wey be say e dey your socker wey, find way take cover them, because na through those socker wey na those snake dey pass inside pipe dey come your sink, because na there na the water and everything dey flush dey go. Make una lis ten to the way our brother wey dem dey call Don Jazzy take explain the matter give us. Wey come be say shit wey person get again to come shit for your house again, come be like something wey we go come dey fear put. Make una lis ten to our brother wey dem dey call Don Jazzy, how e take present the matter give us, how e take teach us the way wey be say we go come take dey shit. No look as say e funny, but this matter wey dey happen, so we really need to be careful the way we dey do things for our environment. We really need to keep our environment clean, because those snake we no know where dem dey pass dey come inside house. Alright, make I show na the video. Oh yeah, roll it.
See, God, man, you don't know how paranoid I am now. I'm not. They say we should first put salt. They say we should put salt inside the thing first. You see that we'll do that, or we'll just look for a different way to shit. Because but if you rush it like this, you attach me. So at least you're gonna look well. If you see anything else, move in a zigzag way. You go no. We can't deal with this again, though. No. This is just camera snake. Wait, how did they enter?
Fuck away.
So if they do the shock away, so what do we need to do to make sure?
Fumigate. From time to time, you must fumigate your sewage area.
Go do am now.
Na so my people, na the video now just share give una so na don see the way the matter take be. No be something wey we go take as joke. And that our sister wey be say the snake just bite. So I pray may her soul rest in peace. And we wey be say we still dey the life, so may we dey be careful concerning our environment and the things wey be say we dey live with. Make we enter another matter, my people. Una know say time no dey. A very big congratulations to this our brother wey dem dey call Officer Woswobi Wospese. This guy na very funny Nigeria comedian wey be say dey put smile for a lot of people face. This guy dey really dey try hard. This guy dem dey work hard for the industry, and they really dey happy for Nigeria entertainment industry, the way that they progress for the things wey be say that they do right now. This our brother, he just come outside of Freecent go show us the latest new SUV wey be say he just tear come outside. He just buy himself a new SUV. Make una take know say the work wey in the work, say e no just dey work for nothing. The mumu wey we dey look and say the mumu dey give am some money, dey put money for a pocket. A very big congratulations to our brother wey dey call Officer Wos. Officer Wos, a very big congratulations to you. Enjoy your motor. That motor you go enjoy am and you no go die young. Make we enter another story, my people. No time. And at the same time, make una check out this wey happen to Nigeria comedian wey dem dey call Clint the Drug. Thank God for his life. This our brother, just a few hours ago, this our brother just get a ghastly accident wey almost took a life, but we thank God say nothing happen to am, because the way the motor take get problem, the way the motor take scatter, we really thank God say nothing happen to this our brother. And he come out to make a testimony, say nothing happened to am, say he escaped the accident. We thank God for that, and thank God for a life, for God to just grant her that safety. We really thank God, my people. All right, my people, now the matter wey I get for now today na be this. For One Africa TV na dey present this one to una so today, my people. If una like everything wey una dey see for this One Africa TV, abeg make una use this one to support me. Make una use this one to support us by make una like the video, share am to your loved ones, your friends, your family, and everybody wey be say you fit share and give. Make dem follow One Africa TV for Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go dey see am one time. Alright, thank you very much. As you kindly do that, until I go see you again in my next video, my people. Peace out.